Hello, fellow adventurers. I'm so excited you're here, ready to dive into the world of travel. There's nothing quite like exploring new places, immersing yourself in different cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you dream of wandering ancient ruins, relaxing on pristine beaches, or savoring exotic cuisines, travel has something for everyone. The world is brimming with incredible destinations, each offering unique experiences and adventures. But before you pack your bags and jet off to your dream destination, it's crucial to prioritize your safety. That's why I'm here to share some essential travel tips to help you stay safe and smart on your journeys. From navigating bustling cities to venturing off the beaten path, being prepared can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. So let's dive in and equip you with the knowledge and tools to travel confidently and responsibly. Remember, the more prepared you are, the more you can relax and savor every moment of your adventure. Traveling smart allows you to focus on what truly matters, experiencing the world's wonders and creating unforgettable memories. So get ready to embrace the unknown, explore with confidence, and let the journey begin. Traveling safely is essential for a positive and rewarding experience. It's not about living in fear, but about being prepared and taking reasonable precautions to minimize risks. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in ensuring your well-being while you're exploring the globe. In this video, we'll cover practical tips to help you stay safe in various situations, from navigating crowded markets to protecting your belongings from theft. We'll delve into the importance of staying informed about your destination, respecting local customs, and being mindful of your surroundings. We'll also discuss how to handle common travel challenges, like language barriers, transportation hiccups, and potential health concerns. By being proactive and prepared, you can confidently navigate these situations and ensure a smoother travel experience. One of the best ways to enhance your travel safety is to explore the world with companions. There's a reason why group travel has always been popular. There's safety in numbers. When you travel with others, you have a built-in support system, which can be invaluable in unfamiliar environments. Imagine navigating a bustling market in a foreign country, trying to bargain for souvenirs while keeping track of your belongings. It can be overwhelming, even for experienced travelers. But with a group, you can watch each other's backs, share the responsibility of navigating, and ensure that no one gets separated or disoriented. And it's not just about practicalities. Traveling with others can also boost your enjoyment and create lasting memories. Sharing experiences, laughter, and even the occasional travel mishap with friends or family can deepen your bonds and make your trip even more special. The camaraderie of a group can turn ordinary moments into cherished memories. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or hiking through a remote trail, it's always wise to have a buddy system in place. Before you head out each day, pair up with someone in your group and establish a plan for staying connected. Share your phone numbers and make sure everyone has access to local emergency contacts. Agree on designated meeting points in case you get separated. For example, if you're visiting a museum, decide to meet at the entrance at a specific time. If you're exploring a market, choose a landmark as your rendezvous point. Having these predetermined meeting spots can save you a lot of stress and worry if someone wanders off or gets lost in the crowd. Remember, even if you're traveling with a group, it's easy to get separated in crowded places or during activities where you might not all be together. Having a buddy system ensures that someone always has your back and knows your whereabouts. It's a simple but effective way to enhance your safety and peace of mind while traveling. Traveling as a group means looking out for one another's well-being. Encourage everyone to stay hydrated, especially in hot climates. Dehydration can sneak up on you, leading to fatigue, dizziness, and other health issues. Carry reusable water bottles and refill them whenever possible. Be mindful of each other's belongings, especially in crowded areas where pickpocketing can be a concern. Remind everyone to keep their valuables secure, preferably in a money belt worn under clothing. Avoid displaying large amounts of cash or expensive jewelry, and be discreet when using ATMs. If someone in your group is feeling unwell, don't hesitate to seek medical attention. Carry a basic first aid kit with essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Familiarize yourself with the local emergency services and know how to contact them if needed. While traveling with a group offers numerous safety benefits, it's essential to acknowledge the potential challenges of group dynamics. Traveling with others, especially for extended periods, can sometimes lead to disagreements, miscommunications, or conflicting interests. To ensure a harmonious and enjoyable trip for everyone, it's crucial to establish clear communication, respect each other's boundaries, and practice patience. Before you embark on your adventure, have an open and honest conversation about everyone's expectations, travel styles, and interests. Are some members early birds while others are night owls? Do some prefer adventurous activities while others lean towards more relaxed experiences? Understanding each other's preferences can help you plan a trip that caters to everyone's needs and minimizes potential conflicts. Remember that compromise is key when traveling in a group. Not everyone will always agree on every decision, but by being flexible, respectful, and willing to find common ground, you can create a positive and memorable group travel experience. Now, let's talk about what you carry. Specifically, your identification. I know it might sound counterintuitive, but when you're traveling to a foreign country, it's actually safer to carry less identification than you might think. Here's why. The more documents you have on you, the greater the risk of losing them all at once. Imagine losing your passport, driver's license, and credit cards in one fell swoop. That's a recipe for a travel nightmare. Instead of weighing yourself down with every piece of identification you own, streamline your essentials. Your passport is your most crucial document, your lifeline to international travel. Keep it safe, secure, and separate from everything else. A money belt worn under your clothes is an excellent option for keeping your passport close and protected. Remember, replacing a lost or stolen passport while abroad can be a time-consuming and stressful ordeal. By minimizing the number of important documents you carry, you significantly reduce the potential for disaster. Your passport is your most valuable possession when you're traveling internationally. It's your ticket home, your proof of identity, and your key to navigating foreign borders. Treat it with the utmost care and respect. Never leave your passport lying around in your hotel room or unattended in public places. Invest in a durable and waterproof passport holder to protect it from wear and tear, spills, and the elements. Make photocopies of your passport's identification page and any visas you have. Keep one copy separate from your actual passport, perhaps in your luggage or with a trusted travel companion. Leave another copy with someone reliable back home. In the unfortunate event that your passport is lost or stolen, having these copies will be invaluable in proving your identity and expediting the replacement process. Additionally, consider taking a digital photo of your passport and storing it securely in your phone's photo album or in a password-protected cloud storage service. This way, you'll have access to a digital copy even if you lose your physical passport and photocopies. While credit cards offer convenience, especially for larger purchases, carrying a small amount of local currency is essential when traveling. Not all vendors, restaurants, or transportation services accept credit cards, and you don't want to find yourself in a situation where you can't pay for something you need. However, flashing large wads of cash can make you a target for theft. Carry only as much cash as you'll need for a day's worth of expenses and keep it tucked away securely. Distribute your cash between your money belt, a secure pocket in your clothing, and perhaps a small, inconspicuous wallet. When using ATMs, choose machines located in well-lit and reputable areas, such as inside banks or shopping malls. Be aware of your surroundings when withdrawing money, and shield the keypad with your hand to prevent anyone from observing your PIN. It's also a good idea to notify your bank or credit card company of your travel plans to avoid any issues with your cards being blocked for suspicious activity. In today's digital age, it's not just our physical belongings we need to protect while traveling, but also our online information. Public Wi-Fi networks, while convenient, can pose security risks. Avoid accessing sensitive information, such as online banking or making online purchases, when connected to public Wi-Fi. Consider using a virtual private network, or VPN, which encrypts your internet connection and adds an extra layer of security when you're browsing online, especially on public networks. This is particularly important if you're handling sensitive data or accessing financial accounts. Be cautious about what information you share online, especially on social media. Avoid posting real-time updates about your whereabouts or travel plans. It's best to wait until you've left a location to share photos or details about your experiences. This way, you're not inadvertently advertising your absence from home or providing potential thieves with information about your itinerary. Now, let's talk about the most important tool in your travel safety arsenal, your awareness. Being aware of your surroundings, understanding potential risks, and trusting your instincts can make all the difference in staying safe while traveling. Remember, you're stepping outside of your comfort zone, into new environments with different customs and potential hazards. It's natural to let your guard down when you're caught up in the excitement of travel, but a little vigilance goes a long way. Think of it like this. You wouldn't walk down a dark alleyway back home without being aware of your surroundings, right? The same principle applies when you're exploring unfamiliar destinations. Pay attention to what's happening around you, who's nearby, and whether anything seems out of place. This doesn't mean being paranoid or constantly looking over your shoulder, but rather maintaining a healthy level of awareness that allows you to anticipate and avoid potential problems. Remember, most people in the world are good and trustworthy, but there are always those who might try to take advantage of unsuspecting travelers. By being aware of your surroundings and projecting an air of confidence, you'll be less likely to be targeted by scammers, pickpockets, or other unsavory characters. Your instincts are your internal alarm system, honed over years of experience to alert you to potential danger. When you're traveling, it's crucial to listen to that inner voice. If a situation feels off, uncomfortable, or unsafe, trust your gut and remove yourself from it. Don't worry about seeming rude or offending anyone. Your safety is paramount. For example, imagine you're approached by someone who seems overly friendly or pushy, perhaps trying to lure you into a back alley to see something amazing or offering you an unbelievably cheap deal. Your instincts might be screaming that something's not right. In such situations, it's always best to err on the side of caution. Politely decline their offer, move away from the area, and rejoin your travel companions if you're not already with them. Remember, it's better to be overly cautious than to find yourself in a compromising or dangerous situation. If your instincts are telling you something's amiss, don't ignore them. Trust your gut and remove yourself from the situation. When it comes to travel safety, there's a delicate balance between blending in with the locals and avoiding looking like a typical tourist. While you don't want to be that traveler who sticks out like a sore thumb, flashing expensive jewelry and constantly checking a map, you also don't want to be an easy target for scammers or thieves. One of the best ways to blend in is to dress appropriately for the destination. Research the local customs and dress codes. In some cultures, it's respectful to dress modestly, covering shoulders and knees, while in others, casual attire is perfectly acceptable. By dressing similarly to the locals, you'll not only show respect for their culture, but also avoid drawing unwanted attention to yourself. Another aspect of blending in is being mindful of your behavior. Avoid loud conversations, especially in languages that are not widely spoken in the area. Don't flaunt large sums of cash or expensive electronics, and be aware of local customs and etiquette. For example, in some cultures, it's considered rude to point or to make direct eye contact. By observing and respecting local norms, you'll demonstrate your cultural sensitivity and avoid attracting undue attention. Public spaces, while often vibrant and exciting, can also present unique safety challenges when traveling. Whether you're navigating crowded markets, using public transportation, or exploring popular tourist attractions, it's essential to be vigilant and take precautions to protect yourself and your belongings. When using public transportation, be especially mindful of your belongings. Keep your valuables close at hand, preferably in a secure bag worn in front of you. Be wary of pickpockets, who often operate in crowded buses, trains, or subway cars. If you're carrying a backpack, consider holding it on your lap or in front of you, especially during peak hours when crowds are denser. When exploring crowded markets or tourist sites, be aware of your surroundings and avoid carrying large amounts of cash or unnecessary valuables. Stay with your group and establish a meeting point in case you get separated. If you're approached by someone who makes you feel uncomfortable, trust your instincts and move away from the situation. As we've explored throughout this video, traveling safely is an ongoing process of awareness, preparation, and smart decision-making. It's not about letting fear dictate your adventures, but about empowering yourself with the knowledge and tools to navigate the world confidently and responsibly. Remember, the more you know, the more you can relax and savor every moment of your journey. Traveling is an incredible gift. It broadens our horizons, challenges our perspectives, and connects us with people and cultures from all walks of life. But with this gift comes a responsibility to ourselves and to others to travel safely and respectfully. By prioritizing our safety, we not only enhance our own travel experiences, but also contribute to a more responsible and sustainable travel culture. So, as you plan your next adventure, remember these essential tips. Travel with companions whenever possible. Minimize the identification you carry. Be mindful of your online and digital security. Trust your instincts, and always be aware of your surroundings. By taking these precautions, you're not just protecting yourself, you're freeing yourself to fully embrace the joys and wonders of travel. Now that you're armed with these travel safety tips, it's time to put them into practice and embark on your next adventure. The world is brimming with incredible destinations, each offering unique experiences and unforgettable memories. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to explore. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips, destination guides, and inspiration to fuel your wanderlust. Remember, traveling safely is an investment in yourself and in the quality of your experiences. By taking reasonable precautions and being prepared for the unexpected, you're empowering yourself to travel with confidence, curiosity, and a sense of adventure. The world is waiting to be explored. Go out there and make the most of it. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the road.